Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please can we put our hands together for Pencil? Thank you. I love you too. I know you're blowing a kiss because of my daughter, not me. Yes. I beg. Now comedy show. I beg more than help me clap for Pencil. You know, my name is Sheyi Law, BCFR, the Black Comedian of the Federal Republic. You know, when Forever came on stage, Forever was talking about his experiences at hotels. Even me, I don't get experience for hotels before. And I share some of those experiences. You get one time, I go do event for a hotel. The hotel, they do their end of year party. I tell them, say, if that towel don't they miss for a hotel, and they are among the tips. I tip towel well for a hotel. I know they lie. Whether you like them or not. I tell you the truth, you cannot kill me. You cannot lodge in a hotel of 70,000 naira and not go home with souvenir. Yes, you don't feel lodge for a hotel of 70,000, you don't carry souvenir. When you reach a certain you want and say you do, you just sleep for bed, 70,000, and you are coming back home, they'll both shoot you. We kill you. For what? If to say a hotel, if to say we get back when we size TV, I for carry TV too.
Are you serious?
Your father. All of us na thief. Now who they break meat? Now be barao. Okay, there are certain things in my life that I don't joke with. I say it as it is. One time, they called me for a event. The first time where I lodged for a hotel, they called me for a event for a hotel. They locked me for 3 days. As I called them, I said, how much is your food? I called, they ask for price. Now I ask for soup and eba. And they tell me 5,500. 2008 precisely. When I hear 5,500, me, take 5,500, they job for 2008. Are they mad? Are they crazy? Now I tell them, say, don't worry, I will call you back, never to call again. As I drop the call, now I'm stroke. Opposite the call there. Now I see malam where they fry egg and bread. They cook indomie. 250. I don't eat belly food. Then I cross back into a hotel, eat 250 naira, and come and sleep on the 75,000 naira bed. After 3 days, as I don't plan to check out for the hotel, I don't even drag my bag. They go reception. Now the woman will call me for the event, say, Sheilo, just drop your key. I hope you didn't pay for any food. We paid for everything you eat for 3 days. When I hear them, I say, you say what? Say we paid for the 3 days, including your food. Are you checking out? Now I tell the woman, no man, I just strolled downstairs. I went back to a hotel, I sit down inside, I call all my family members. Come to a hotel now, we have food for 3 days to finish. My brother, you know, say all of us want to have the money. Let me tell you something. I'll tell you the truth and I lie not, whether you like it or not. Recently, I started posting videos about my shows. Own performances where I don't do. Now people call the comment, oh my God, this is the Sheyi Law that we love. Oh my God, this is the Sheyi Law we want back. We love this Sheyi Law. I said, quiet, you love the Sheyi Law. Did I tell you that I love that Sheyi Law? That was Sheyi Law that was hungry and poverty want to kill. I don't love that Sheyi Law. And that is why I told myself my show for August 11 is called Blacker Than Ever. You know why? Because I'm going to be talking about my poverty story. I tell you the truth, there are several things that poverty can make you do. Now poverty make old man, they wake up for money, sit down for main road, begin confess, say I be wish. My brother, you don't be wish, you are poor. There is nothing called witchcraft. I'm telling you today, if witchcraft there, all of us, if we sit down but they wake up tomorrow, sit down for middle of Ahmadu Bello way, they shout, me, I be down got it. Now witchcraft, I take care of my company. All of us, I ain't go there, go kill. Or God give us this witchcraft. You go see, person don't wake up for money, sit down for road, begin cry. I be wish, now me make government don't do our road. Quiet. Now you be the local government chairman, where chop the money. You be wish for where? Person go wake demons walking inside me. If you get 17 demons, pastor go first pursue 12. You go leave 3 so that you can come back again. So that the ministry can continue. Poor people, now in which they press their neck. Poor people, now in demon they press their neck. You don't ever hear say demon go press Adenuga before. Since 2015, I've been performing in Adenuga's house. I never feel waka the full house finished since 2015 where I don't go the house. If today, if I pass back, tomorrow, they say make I pass Lord. To next tomorrow, I go again, they say make I pass another place. Now that kind of house, now demon won't go press person. If they send demon, go press Adenuga, demon appear for the house. Ha! As he open the first door, now get man he see. He say sorry, oh. He open another door. Wow! He see waiter. He open another door. Wow! He see cook. He open another door. Wow! He see gardener. He open another door. Wow! He see Paddy Adenuga. Before he open the next door, they don't break. So say make I go and come back another night. Now poor man demon they press anyhow. Another day the demon come again. As he they open door, he begin enter inside house. He open this door. He see the first one. He open this door. He see Bella. He open this door. He see Dollar. He open this door. He see the baller. He get where go one kill the witch. Now the witch go wake the next person. I better give me blanket. This one the house not die.
I saw one money not dead.
Oh, DJ Kesley, you know what we they talk about. When money not there, stupidity is always at work. The difference between Kelechi Iheanacho and Messi is the poverty of opportunity. When Messi get the right equipment to train and shine, Kelechi Iheanacho they wake up for money, they run go stadium. We can make you lack idea. I know what I'm talking about. Let me tell you something. Poverty is a tool in the hand of those people who sabi use them. Now the reason when Jonathan come, he give us food, belle food. Nigeria begin shout, hey, no remove subsidy, no remove subsidy. Buhari don't come now. Now we dey pray. Okay, when you want to remove them. See, let me tell you something. I tell you the truth and I lie not. See, I need to educate you so that you understand what I'm talking about. When you leave Nigeria and you travel abroad, you will understand what I'm talking about. Poverty of understanding. Abroad, a cat is a pet. Are you listening to me? I went to the UK. I see at the Wakafor road, now I see 2 ambulances. I see police car drive past. Wow! I see ambulance follow. Another police car follow. For my mind, I say I need to know where they go. As they brought from one corner from my front, I follow them. As I follow them, now I see where they use stretcher, carry something. The man where they in the house, they run, follow the stretcher. They shout, Tom, don't do this to me, Tom. Oh my God, Tom. For my mind, I say, who be this Tom? As they carry a past me, now I see a cat. Cat, 2 police car, and 1 ambulance called rescue. Ordinary cat. Now I tell myself, say, my Oga, don't leave Tom. I can be your permanent cat. Look at me, yeah. Meow. In abroad, cat is a pet. In Nigeria, when we see cat near our window, you bring out anointing not yet. Poverty mentality. Let me tell you something. Abroad, they don't use goat. Goats now pets. They go feed goat. Goat don't go feed plant again. Goat go they do. Go Osogbo, come see goat. For Osogbo, na night when you dey sleep, goat they disturb you because they don't go hustle. You don't give them food. If you are a pet in Nigeria, your pets get expiration dates. I know what I'm talking about. In Nigeria, if you are a fowl and you are a pet in January, by Easter period, you become food. Listen to what I'm telling you. See, Sandy come on stage. If they talk about the landlord, if they talk about person who bring dog. My landlord, where are they? When Jonathan dey, he get dog. The dog no dey let us rest. You dey see dog, they go. If dog see person pass front of our gate, the shadow enter inside house. Dog go dey go. You go dey rush the gate. Because Jonathan was president, he no understand life. One day, landlord open door down. The person where they sell newspaper give our landlord enter our compound. dog dey na him dey call our landlord Daddy Jimoh ẹjọ sájà yín gbọ́ Yorùbá ẹjọ ẹ bá wa bá sọ̀rọ̀ ó ń gbọ́mọ wa o I'm the one that is sell paper for ọ̀gá o I'm the newspaper man and this day Ọlọ́run ṣe máa ka punch the dog won't kill anybody rat move for our compound na when Jonathan comot Buhari come the dog begin understand life dog come begin chop normal human being food dey eat jollof rice. He reach one stage, he begins so garri and groundnut. Now the dog they peel the groundnut by himself. Oh, let's say you know what they talk about. I'm rounding up. The girl where this thing won't kill the dog. Dog begin get human being sickness. Dog they get malaria. They get tuberculosis. Dog go back to the our landlord do fasting. He give the dog compulsory fasting. Dog wait fast before dog begin leave. Dog what they do? Dog knock on the back anyhow again. No. He reach one stage, hunger won't kill the dog begin blow his. Now the dog see the car where our landlord don't abandon, now he enter under the car, life follow there. Now another person go dash our landlord, another dog. That one enter compound, he no ask whether one dog don't live here before. The one waiting on that motor, they call her. That one don't they yet. When hunger hold land for 2 weeks. When he said one go he one back now, he leg go the shake. When dog I won't kill him, now he enter on that motor, may go meet the other dog when they under the motor. As he enter on that motor, now he see another dog there. He say, you there, yeah? Now that was I know they call you for the past 2 weeks, you know they hear what now? And they try to tell you, make you reserve your energy, you know yet. The day when we know say the dog on they don't finish. Now the day when I'm robber enter our compound, I'm robber shout, all of you lie down. Now the dogs they first lie down. Now our landlord they call them bingo, jack, backo. Now the dog they tell our landlord, all of us now woman be no. Go ask you face. Thank you very much, my name is Shoyilo.
Me proud Igbo boy, anytime, any day. Chak 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 Igbo kwenu. See, if you don't say your head not good for alcohol, not drink. Recently we lost our guy to alcohol. Nobody say the guy drink high, die. He drink high, introducing side chick to your wife. If you see the way he do the introduction, you go no say it is after that. He say, baby, meet my baby. Baby, see your senior colleague. The cock no land before the guy died. Ladies and gentlemen, you see, Igbo people, we are the same yesterday, today, and forevermore. I keep telling people, do the business. When we come, we go do and pass you. The only business we can never do is selling of suya. Because any business where they give you testing first before you buy, get no day inside. It's that simple. You see, when Oyibo talk something, just know, say, they don't do the research. Somebody do the research. Somebody approve them before they put that thing outside. Example, when they tell you the negative and the positive of a magnet attract, if they say who do the research, we know. Who approve them, we know. Nigeria, we get many. But who do the research? We don't know. Who approve them? We don't know. Example, if rain they fall and sun they shine at the same time, lion they born. Who do the research? Who approve them? Again, what they say, if somebody cross you, the person must cross you back, or you go born pikin where resemble the person. Who do the research? Who approve them? The one when they pay me, they say if you chop for dream, you be wish. Who do the research? Who approve them? Me saw my chicken for my dream. Rubbish. I remember recently I followed my friend to his child's school. And they do PTA. Now they say the small children won't come do presentation. Kids of 3 years old, so ballet uniform, ballet. They can't come outside. Good afternoon, mommies and daddies. My name is Tracy, and we're going to do a special ballet performance. Small children, 4 years. I felt bad when we were younger. Anytime we want to do something, God punish ballet. There were only two activities. Either is cultural dance or choreography. Who they saw uniform for you? They said, everybody bring your mama wrapper and white singlet. We'll come there like this. Amaru shift now, idiot. Don't match me now. Go up to mommy and daddy. That is our day. Thank you. Our day. Our day. Okoko balele. Anya biawala ewo. Anya biawala ewo. Anya umuchine anya. Oh yeah. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. Oh, we say we want to do choreography. They say when you are coming on Monday, bring your white and black and your white hand. Player for me, the most abused song then was Diana Ross. He lives in me. Big shout out to Wakana. I see you. We are going everywhere. West Africa, they go hear word. Before I leave, I'm a proud Igbo boy. I say it anytime, any day. Igbo people, we don't need to sing. Nah, sing your own. We will give you the simple and short. Igbo man can sing a song in a way he does not know the lyrics, but you will not notice it. Normal song, Kabi Esio, Esheo, Oba Mimo Ema Sheo. Igbo man go start you. Kabi Esio, Esheo, Wekiri. The one when the baby pass, they will go find one chorus, come giving you testimony where you don't understand. They will come start like this. Just help me do the beat. Ba. Let's go. If you have not watched Igbo music video, Sunday morning, China 10, and then they play. The dancers. The men. The lead singer will come back down, whole flower. Umuchineke! Thy Lord is good in your life. Chorus. Jehovah, look down and see, oh. What people are doing, oh. Because of money, oh. Jehovah, look down and see, oh. What people are doing because of money. Testimony time. I walked into my compound one day. I saw a man pasting a poster on my wall. I asked him what it was. He said it is quick notice. I shouted, Jesus! I went down on my knees and prayed. The Lord answered me. Today, that same man is my husband in that same house. Lagos, good night.